is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today I created this blue eye cut crease look, and if you want to see how I created this look, make sure you guys keep on watching. Alright, so starting off, we're going to be jumping into the Lauder. You guys already know I'm just going to put this up for my new boos. So I'm just going to be taking that and just putting that all over the face. You feel me? So I just want to say to all of my boos, thank you so much for the lovely comments from my last video. Oh my god, y'all really made my day. Like, I was nervous doing that video because I'm a very private person, but it felt really good that you guys, you know, basically gave me some really good encouragement and things of that nature. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. I just want to say that to you. I love you. Alright, next we're gonna jump into primer, and y'all already know what it is. It's the Fenty. On my brother's birthday, I actually did really good, y'all. I cooked dinner, sipped a little, you know what I'm saying? Got a little loose and celebrated, you know? It was really good. So next we're gonna be jumping into foundation. We're just gonna be jumping into the NARS, and this is the new Caladina Longwear foundation, and I do have to get that new matte NARS that they have. I will get that very soon. I heard it was really good, so that is something that's definitely on my list. I got this new stipple brush from e.l.f. I definitely want to try this and see like how it works. And it look like it's doing the job. Oh, I got hair. Hair law, okay. So now since I have that down, I'm going to be setting this foundation with the matte setting powder, and this is in the color Deep. This is like more close to my skin tone, so that's why I like setting it with this. You guys know I usually either do my dark deep, but I want to try something new today. My new collection dropped too, y'all. I'm so excited. Shout out to everybody who has supported, repost, board, and if you want to check out my new collection, I'll definitely put it in the description box below. Alright, so I did get some new concealers from e.l.f. as well. Now, you already know I do like my 16-hour cameo, but I wanted to try the flawless concealer, so I got one in the rich chocolate, and then I got the other one in my regular deep cinnamon that I usually get in the 16-hour cameo. So I'm going to be taking this rich chocolate and correcting my eyes just to see how this, you know, turns out. I actually got this for a contour, but came to find out it looked just like the color of my skin. So I was like, ooh, baby, you should have went a little darker, okay? It's a little flawless to me. I'm just saying, okay? I'm just going to be taking my Real Technique 300 brush, blending that in really good. Now, since we have that down, I'm going to be jumping into the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer, and this is the Deep Cinnamon. And I'm gonna just take this real quick and just put this all over. And who's seen Patti LaBelle and Gladys Knight? Honey, I was so hyped. First of all, I was raised off of Patti LaBelle, okay? And her Flame album, oh my god, that took me back. All my life I waited for someone like you. She ain't sang that, but I wanted her to sing that song. I really wish she would have sung all my life I waited for someone like you. Like, come on, Patti. Even though I love all your songs, but that was my favorite song, and I was so mad that she didn't sing that song. But I was like, it's okay, because I love Patti, and I love all Patti songs. And it's so crazy because when I used to work at a nursing home, I met Patti LaBelle. And to be honest, like, I'm not even the type of person that be like really hyped when I see like a celebrity and stuff like that. But when I seen her, I swear to God, y'all, I started crying. I was like, oh my God. And she was so sweet. I wasn't like boo-hoo crying, but I was crying. I was so happy to be Patti LaBelle. So it was just a blessing to like see her and know that she's from Philly or whatever. So I love Patti. Shout out to you, Patti, and I love Gladys Knight too. Don't get it messed up, okay? I'm gonna be taking this 350. Y'all already know. Layering this But yes, I was really excited about the Pay the Bell versus. That was good. That actually came before my brother's birthday. That was like before. And today I seen this new video with Cardi B. Oh my God. She looks so decent. Cardi, she is just that girl. Like, I love Cardi B. Like, that's why I really hope that her and Offset work out. You know what I'm saying? Like, work it out. Work it out. Work it out. But I can understand if they can't. You know what I'm saying? I just want a little highlight, just a little bit, not too much, but I just want a little highlight, so I'm gonna put that right there. So since I put this right here, I'm gonna real quick jump into contour. So we're going to be jumping into the Fenty Cream Contour, and this is in the color Chocolate. And I'm going to be taking this E15 brush by Morphe, and I'm gonna just take it because it's a little dense brush, and I like how dense it is. And I'm gonna just stipple that. And I even like it too because it can get right in my nose. So now since I have that down, I'm just gonna take this little teeny concealer brush and just press that up. And just keep tapping it, okay? You know what I'm saying? Tap on this before this dry up on me. So now we're going to bake, and we're going to be baking with the matte setting powder, and this is in the color Tan. My fave setting powder lately. I don't know why, but I just love the way this setting powder just lays on the skin like butter, baby. Just something about it. So I'm going to just take a small little brush and just blend out this nose contour. Have that contour like in my eye too a little bit. I'm feeling really good today too, by the way, y'all, and I don't know if it's the liquor or it's just me feeling good. I don't know, but it might be the liquor. I've been drinking. So now we're going to be jumping into this e.l.f. Prom and Stay finishing powder. This is in the color Dark Deep and kind of like bronze at the same time, because I don't know if I want to use my Mocha Mommie today. I kind of think I just want to be in like a brown tone today, maybe. I'm not sure. Just bronze brown today, you know. So now since I have this base down, we're going to be jumping into eyebrows. And for eyebrows, I bought this new pencil from e.l.f. and it is the Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. And this is in the color Dark Brown. I'm going to run through my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Okay. I want to put my highlight on before I jump into my eyes. We're going to be jumping into the Stacey Marie palette. I've been using this palette and y'all gonna see this palette in a couple of my videos. Just get over it, okay? All right. And we're going to be jumping into Over It. Taking this, laying this right on my brow bone, just like that. We're going to be jumping into this blue and it is called Mood. So I'm going to be taking my M506 brush. I'm going to be stamping it all in my crease, and as you can see, this is why I love this palette, because it's so freaking pigmented. Oh, and real quick, let me zoom you in, boo, so you can see what I'm doing. Boom, like that. So now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into another color, and it's called Soft Spot. Clean up the edges and bring it a little bit closer into my inner corner as well. Always got to go back in and just darken that up, darken that crease up. I like to just take black and just tap it into my crease just to darken my crease a little bit. I'm going to cut my crease with some Vaseline. And I'm gonna take this Q-tip and I'm gonna just clean it right off. So now since I have that down, I'm going to be jumping into this blank canvas and I'm going to be layering this right on my lid. I'm going to take the sides and blend that out as well. Tap all the excess off. So for shimmer, we're going to be jumping into this peppermint. I'm just going to lay that over top just like that. And now since we have that down, we're going to jump into Fortune. It's this gold right here. And we're gonna lay this. Oh, it's fallout. Fallout. No fallout allowed. Prep for these lashes. And lately I haven't been saying where my lashes are from, because actually I've been using my own lashes. I will be having a lash line soon, so keep a lookout for that. I'm just basically sampling lashes and making sure it's right, because I want to bring a really, really good product to you guys. I don't just want to be like, oh, I'm selling lashes and just be selling shit, you dig? I really want to sell y'all like some real good ass lashes that you can reuse and all that good stuff. So that's why I haven't been telling you guys what lashes I'm using, because I've been using my own. And I'm gonna just take this mousse and I'm gonna just bring it right under my lash, just like that. And I'm gonna just touch into that soft spot with my E48 Sigma brush, and I'm just gonna take that and just blend that out at the bottom really, really good. Just doing everything I did up the top at the bottom. Okay, so now since I have that peppermint down, I'm just gonna jump into that gold. I'm going to be jumping into highlight, because you know that is my thing. We're going to be jumping into Over It. And it is just something about this highlight that just... whew. Just putting it all in my highlighted areas. And y'all know I like it on the sides of my nose. And right over top of my lip. Alright, so now we're going to be jumping into lip. We're going to be jumping into this Morphe, and this is in the color Trendsetter. So we're just going to be jumping into this Lime Crime, and y'all already know this is my favorite color. This is in the color L. And we're going to take that, go like that. And now we're going to spray, and we're going to be spraying with the e.l.f. Soothing Olay Mist. I'm almost out of this, but since we did e.l.f., we're going to just do, you know, everything e.l.f. You dig? So my boo, this is the final look. I really, really love how this look came out. I'm really, really feeling this fall look. We are giving them fall, you feel me? And if you like this look, make sure you do not forget to smash that like button and also leave me a comment down below. Also, if you made it this far to the video, you might as well hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell button too, because you do not want to miss my upcoming videos, and I need you to be notified. Period. So with that being said, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you boo in my next video.